Hey guys, it's that Halo 1 guy here with a progress thing. I'm making a tech deck skate park. And well, my friend, he helped me make this ramp thing. I'll hook up what it's called in a minute. And now I have the grinding thing, which is cooler, which I'll show you here right now. Let me just get it to where you can see. Wow. I'll just do it like that. So yeah, I know I did something wrong. I was just showing you. And actually you're supposed to stall on it. No stall, but I was just showing you. So yeah. I still gotta add like some half pipes, and I'm also working on a half pipe. Right there, I know it's got a lot of Legos in it, but hey, again, I'm still working on it. Still gotta get a piece of cardboard. And so yeah.